Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be about applying a customized frontal wig. I'll be showing you how to just put on the wig and to get the look that you want. Easy application with your elastic band on your wig. No glue, no guts to be glued or anything like that. It's a glueless wig. There I'm showing you what you need. You need the wig, a bottle of water with a paddle brush, and a space teeth comb. So first you have to ensure that your hair is flat, cornrowed or cane rowed to the back. Just ensure that your hair is lying flat so there's not any bulge or anything when you're putting on the wig. So there I'm showing you that I put on the wig, placing the elastic on the back of my head first, and then putting on the wig and ensuring that it's placed on correctly. For this wig, I am not going to cut off the lace because this wig was actually made for a customer, and I decided to do a video of how to apply it. I'm basically showing you how you can adjust the lace to your head, and I'm showing you how I actually customize the hairline. This is, I think this is a 12-inch deep curly Brazilian hair. I think it's 3 bundles and a frontal. So I'm just playing around with the wig, showing you what it looks like on my head. With the frontals, you can get any part that you like, whether it be a middle part or a side part, or if you want to wear it back without any parts. The wig has a lot of body, and I really love this wig because it's very versatile. So I'm now going to be showing you how to get the curls defined after putting on the wig. The only thing that you'll need is water and probably a moisturizer or conditioner if you choose to. But normally for new wigs, I don't apply any products to it to ensure that so while I'm adding the water to the hair, I'm using my fingers to comb through water to the wig the hair and to get the definition of the curls. So you want to ensure that the hair is wet but not too wet where it's actually dripping and messing your clothes up. You just need to spray enough water in your hair to define the curls so you can get the desired look that you want. This method normally takes about 10 to 15 minutes for me because it's really just adding water and combing through the curls and defining the curls, which shouldn't take long. So 15 minutes tops. So I'm still spraying the hair with water to ensure that I get all the areas that were dry and I get all the curls defined, so I don't have one part looking well defined and curled and another side looking dry or without water. I'm now going to show you how I part the hair in sections. So the curls are defined right here, and it's easier to manage and it's lighter. So if you do this method, I promise you that you will love the outcome of your hair. Look at that hairline, plucked to perfection. So I'm about to part the hair now. I'm gonna try a side part first to show you what it would look like. And I'm not gonna plot the part nor define the part, because as I said, this is a wig that I made for a customer, and I just decided to do a video on applying the wig to show how easy it actually is without any glue. So that's the side part there. I'm pushing a little to the front. Based on how you like to wear your side part, that's how you would do it. Of course, if the lace is cut off and when your edges are laid, then it will look a little bit better than what I'm showing you right now. I'm showing that you can wear it to the back if you don't want to have any parts in it, and you can wear the front center part as well. So yeah, that's it. That's how you apply a lace frontal wig. No glue, no adhesive. And as I said before, I think this is a 12-inch deep curly frontal wig. 13x6 is the frontal. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you share, like, and subscribe. Bye.